Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start English translation of Sura Al Nasr. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح. When Allah's help and victory come. When there comes the help of Allah and the conquest of Makkah. Makkah is in inverted commas. وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. And you see men embrace his religion in multitudes. And see the people enter Allah's religion in crowds. فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهُ. Celebrate the praise of your Lord and seek His pardon. So glorify the praises of your Lord and ask His forgiveness. Innahu kana tawwaba. He is ever disposed to mercy. He is one of who accepts the repentance and who forgives. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim wa ballagana Rasuluhu an-Nabiyyul Kareemul Amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.